The A-list duo of singer John Legend and his model-turned-cookbook author wife, Chrissy Teigen, have been everywhere recently, creating a tremendous stir. With one of Beverly Hills' most exquisite houses and a growing family, they're offering their lovely home for $23.95 million and moving up. The busy pair has a knack for picking out beautiful homes, and their residences are frequently featured in Architectural Digest. This is surely not one of them. The 8,520-square-foot property, which was built in 1966 and has been updated to the highest contemporary quality, features 7 bedrooms and 8 baths. With 33-foot ceilings, a curving stairway leading to a second-floor catwalk, and a purple grand piano, the foyer is simply a taste of what's to come. It opens onto a spacious living area with a floor-to-ceiling glass wall that provides panoramic views of the canyon. The chef's kitchen, which opens into a huge family area, is the ideal location for a chef-author to test delectable recipes. A brass, concrete, and clay fireplace, a balcony with far-reaching vistas, his and her dressing rooms, and walk-in closets that are more like fashion showrooms, and an Italian-inspired Glam Room are all included in the master suite. Each of the 7 bedrooms has an en-suite bathroom and a balcony. A gym and a relaxing home theater are also featured. Thai mandala patterned ceilings, ebonized cerused oak flooring, clay and steel rolled walls, onyx sinks, and Italian quartz worktops are among the unique finishes and design. Outside, the pool terrace, which features a heated saltwater pool, jacuzzi, chef's grill, and wood-fired oven, offers spectacular canyon views. A pergola draped by grapevines is ideal for alfresco dining. John Legend and Chrissy Teigen, 2 supermodels at the top of their game, have a knack for selecting out real estate and turning it into modern contemporary castles. Their magnificent Beverly Hills mansion is now in the market. It'll be difficult to beat this one, so we'll have to wait and see where they go from here. Marshall Peck of Douglas Elliman in Beverly Hills is the listed agent for this property, which is priced at $23.95 million.